Right, how do we deploy Apple apps via GoLive to iOS, iPad, or tvOS machines? Well, it works similar to macOS machines in that we go to the GoLive page of the targeted machine. Now, GoLive is one-to-one device administration, meaning anything and everything that I do on this page will only impact this selected machine. So what I do is click on the software tab here, and I can see what's currently installed, but I can also see which Apple apps are available to deploy. So you establish the Apple app connection with your policy, you purchase the app licenses that you're looking for. Once those app licenses are purchased, you can begin to deploy them to your machines. Now you can do them in bulk via the policy, or let's say I want to deploy an application via GoLive to just one individual machine. Is that option available? Absolutely. You find the app that you're looking to deploy to the machine, select the application, click deploy, and you can deploy the app to the machine. You also have the ability to deploy apps with any additional configurations that app might have. Now, not every app has the same type of configurations, so you have to go looking for, what specific configurations are associated with that particular application. Right. And then lastly, we can confirm that the items were queued and executed. Items were queued and executed, meaning that we were able to deploy the app to the machine successfully.